Square root of 27. 27 is 9 times 3. There's a perfect square there at 9. The square root of 9 is 3, with a 3 left over. So I took out the square root of 9, and I left the 3. 8. 8 is 4 times 2, and I have a perfect square of 4. The square root of 4 is 2, with a square root of 2 left over. At the same time, if you need to write it all out, by all means go ahead. If you had to write out 3 times 3 times 3 to see the pair, then by all means get that pair out. And that pair will be on the outside with 1 left over. If you had to write 4 as 2 times 2 times 2, I have 1 pair with 1 left over. So that's how you're going to simplify the numbers. But then we have the variables. For variables, we want to talk about when it's even and when it's odd. When it's even, remember, what does x squared mean? X squared means x times x. So automatically, I have 1 pair, and that will give you just an x on the outside. At the same time, though, just ask yourself, how many pairs do you have? Now, I know I only did just one example here, but I want you to try this and see if you get a pattern. See if you find a pattern with these next two, okay? You need to write them all out to see how many pairs you have. Go for it. Otherwise, I hope, in just a second, pause, see what you come up with. Y to the 10th power is y, or y. It's 10 y's. How many pairs is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 pairs. You have to use your hands for a second. It was 5 pairs overall. So that would just be y to the 5th. A to the 10th is a. Yeah, I said that correctly. Awesome. How many pairs is that? Again, that's 5 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C to the 6th is 6 C's. C. That's 1, 2, 3. 3 pairs. You guys see a pattern here, though? One way to think about it is just cut it in half. Another way is asking yourself, 2 goes into 10 5 times. 2 goes into 10 5 times. 2 goes into 6 3 times. That's how I think about it. Because this is a square root. We're trying to figure out how many pairs we have. How many pairs? So how many pairs do we have? We had 5 pairs of y. We had 5 pairs of a. And we had 3 pairs of c. But that's if it's all even. What if it's odd? Y to the 13th is, I can't do that with all my fingers. Y to the 13th is 13 y's. So how many pairs is that? And if you had to, you could write out y 13 times. That is 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, 5 pair, 6 pairs with 1 left over. That would be y to the 6th with 1 left over. Or again, I would ask myself, 2 goes into 13 6 times with 1 left over in the radical. That's how I would work it out. Again, 2 goes into 13 because we have 13 y's, the exponent, 6 times with 1 left over. Just like 2 would go into 7, how many times? 3 times with 1 left over. So if it's odd, you're going to notice that you have 1 left. So again, I want you again, try 2 of these out. Give them a try. I'm going to pause again. Simplify. I have, let's see, looks like 5 K's. So in this case, if I have 5 K's, how many pairs is that? How many will I have on the outside? That would be 2, or k squared. Remember, I say 2, but it's really k squared with 1 left over. If I have 5, that's 2 pairs with 1 left over. C cubed is 3 C's. That's 1 pair with 1 left over. So now you've seen numbers, now you've seen variables, and now we've got to put it all together.
Not yet, we won't, because you deserve a brain break. The last time we saw our contestant Paul, he was serenading us, tingling our spines with The Night Shift by the Commodores. So let's see what he's going to serenade us with today.
Double your money right now. Pick a category.
Oh, man, let's see. Let's go with Going Solo.
Going solo. All right, here we go. It Don't Come Easy by Ringo Starr or In the Air Tonight by Phil Collins.
Okay. Well, Wayne, I got to tell you, I know that I don't know Ringo Starr's music. But I tell you what, I was a big Phil Collins.
Phil Collins fan.
Big Phil
Back in
Collins.
the 80s.
Back in the 80s, baby. So I'm going to go
White
with
jacket,
In the Air Tonight.
In the Air Tonight. That's what he's going with. Four words, $5,000. You can do this. Are you ready, sir? In the Air Tonight.
And I've been waiting for this moment for all my life.
Okay. Short and sweet for this moment, for all my life. We're looking for 4 words. You gave us 4 words, $5,000. Do you have enough confidence to lock in those lyrics, or are we using a backup?
Waiting for this moment for all my life. I've been waiting for this moment for all my life.
Oh, you're like, come on, you're on TV, you're winning money, you're getting a chance to sing, folks are looking at you.
I've been waiting for this moment.
Girls are
for
shrieking.
All my life. I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Wayne, I feel good about it. I'm going to lock in those lyrics.
Folks, he's locking it in. He feels good about it. Is it for all my life for $5,000? Yes, it is.
Congratulations, Paul. You just won $5,000.